Man, I got that goddamn iPad Pro, motherfucker.
What's good, YouTube, man? What's good, gang, man? It's boy Flacco back with another video, man. Today, we're gonna be doing an unboxing on the baby. Look, man, I told y'all I was gonna get it. This will be turned up. This will be upgrading to the iPod. This will be upgraded to the iPad.
That you do.
You know what I'm saying? I've been scamming all week. You just couldn't buy iPads. Now I'm buying them every week. Nah, for real, man. Got the Magic Keyboard too. You did, but it's crazy because this is really heavier than the iPad itself. Nah, man. Before we get into this video, I just want to thank both of my aunties, man. I'm very grateful for everything I got. You know what I'm saying? And they say I deserve it, but one day down the line in the future, I'm gonna end up repaying them. Not saying paying them back the money, but repaying them the love and all the support they done gave out to me. You know what I'm saying? But iPad Pro John, like I told you on the last video when I said it, I'm gonna be upgrading my iPad real soon. Don't think I forgot about you. Still my baby. This is still my baby. Don't get it twisted. But new addition to the family. You know what I'm saying? It's 11:30 at night right now, and we finna go ahead and unbox this for the new addition to the family, man. It's just my Apple Pencil will be coming soon, but I didn't want to wait on that. I just want to get this video up and out the way. So yeah, make sure y'all watch all my ads so I can be able to repay my aunties with the favors, man. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all to death. Let's get straight into this unboxing, man. You did. Alright, so first we're gonna be unboxing the iPad Pro. This is the 2020 model of the iPad Pro, you know what I'm saying? 12.9 inch, 512 gigabytes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get straight to it. You know what I'm saying? Use my nails, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be clowning me in the comments about my nails, but hey, look, get them put to good use, you know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and take this plastic off. Okay, plastic off, you know what I'm saying? The box, not a typical iPad box, you know what I'm saying? It's my first iPad Pro, so yeah, kind of looking real different, you know what I'm saying? But typical Apple box at the end of the day, just a different front design. There you go. Look at a masterpiece. Look at a baby. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Look at it. Let me go ahead and lift this up out of here. And it's really light, bro. Like, surprisingly light. I'm saying, got the space gray 2020 model of the iPad Pro. You know what I'm saying? Can y'all even see that? No, I'm not even in the frame. Let me lift the camera up. 2020 iPad Pro space gray model, you know what I'm saying? I need to get a better tripod so I can record unboxings for y'all. But yeah. But this is the iPad, so you already know what that is. We'll put that to the side real quick. Let's go through the rest of the box. Designed by Apple in California. You know, you get the typical, everything is bigger for real. I mean, it is a bigger product, but the Apple stickers in here, yeah, you already know what's in here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I heard it's a different charger, a USB Type-C. So we're gonna see what that's all about. Yeah, it is. As y'all can see, this is the new iPad charging block, you know what I'm saying? Doesn't look anything like the old model. Let me go ahead and grab my old iPad charging block to show y'all the difference. This is the old model of the iPad block with the lightning connector, and this is the new model that uses a USB Type-C charger, you know what I'm saying? It looks completely different, honestly. Pretty cool to see Apple change it up, you know what I'm saying? I wonder if the iPhone 12 is gonna have a USB Type-C charger as well, but hey, we never know until we know, you know what I'm saying? I think this is actually the charger that's used on newer Samsung phones, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, it's not the original goddamn lightning connector. Here comes the iPad. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and unwrap this. Y'all can see me, bro. This is huge, bro. Honestly, where's the damn power button? Let me go ahead and power it on. Yo. Got fingerprints all on the screen already, bro. Yeah, man. Hello. I gotta go ahead and activate this. So let me go ahead and activate this, and I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I'm done. But in the meantime, we could go ahead and unbox this Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. We finna go ahead. I just took the plastic off of this. Is this open like a regular Apple product box? Yes, it does. Here's the damn keyboard, bro. Oh man, the keyboard is much heavier than the iPad itself, but All that's in the box is the keyboard, as y'all can see. Empty box now, so we can go put that to the side. But yeah, here we go. Take the plastic off of this. Oh man, just look at this. It's way heavier than the iPad. Let me go ahead and open it up. Bro, the keyboard, bruh. My dreams are coming to life, bruh. The keyboard. My new editing station now, bro. Like, yeah, man. Let me go ahead and throw the iPad on this mug. You know what I'm saying? Bro, it snaps like that. Yo, it just snaps on like that, bro. Bro, it just snaps on perfect. And now I want to put it more back like that. I can. More. Yo, bro. These videos is about to start coming out. It's about to be straight heat, bro. I promise y'all. Y'all don't understand how bad and how long I wanted this, bro. Like, I'm about to take this YouTube channel to a whole different level right now, bro. I got the camera. I got the... Oh, man. It's about to be up, bro. But y'all boys watching this video right now, y'all still ain't hit that sub button, that like button. Y'all boys go ahead and smash that. And yeah, let's get back into it, man. You dig? Yeah, man. Oh, man. Just wait till I... Oh, man. Just let me go give y'all boys the juice real quick. Absolutely beautiful, great. Let me see what Luma looking like. Oh man, look at this. No dribble. Yeah. Yo, this motherfucker look clean, crisp. Oh my god, bro. This is about to be the amount of stuff that I'm about to film for y'all now. Like, I'm just so motivated right now, bro. And it's... It's like, oh man. But it's a little quick I don't know how long this video is, but it's a little quick unboxing, you know what I'm saying? Got the iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard. Once again, I want to say thank you to both of my aunties for making this possible, making this happen for me, you know what I'm saying, bro? I just can't thank y'all enough for all the support and love y'all give me and everything y'all do for me, you know what I'm saying? It's time to get motherfucking famous, nigga. It's time to be rich, nigga, you know what I'm saying? But nah, man, we really about to tee up now. Like I said, I got the camera already. Got a goddamn iPad Pro finna go crazy with the nigga. I'm pushing out straight heat. Thank you once again to both of my aunties. I just can't thank y'all enough. But if y'all boys are new to the channel, make sure y'all boys have a like, comment, subscribe. Look, make sure y'all boys subscribe, bro, cause we about to go up. I'm finna spend the rest of the night learning how to work this Magic Keyboard and learning all the gestures and everything. And look, man, by the time tomorrow morning, man, I'm finna be a master at this shit, man. But nah, for real, man. Yeah, love y'all. You there?
We put exotic flavors on our watches. We eating dinner at Chris Hibachi.